Hi, this is Sagarnil Das from Kolkata. Today evening I received an email from 10th Dadasaheb Phalke Film Festival 2020 stating that my first short film, A Fractal Mind, has been selected. Seeing that email, I was literally in tears because it was such an overwhelming moment for me. So I always had this crazy idea about where I believed that we are all connected through time to each other, and what you see happening to us whenever we see an event unfolding in front of us. I always believed that that event has already happened in the past and it's also going to happen in the future, like an endless recursive loop. So for me, the major roadblock when I was just starting out on this film was lack of clarity, because almost 70% of this film was shot in Andaman, and which happened to be one of our family vacation. And I really didn't know what to expect there. As this was my first short film, it was completely self-financed. The entities which are connecting us through time, the past was played, in my opinion, beautifully by my little brother, little cousin. The other was my father for the future self. The major challenges which I faced, one of them really has to be human resources. I really had this mosaic of a script, if you will, but one of the tough shots was me running through a beach with explosions happening all around, which was of course done in with VFX in post. Luckily, I met this amazing guy who was also our boat rider, and he agreed to run with me with the gimbal and take the shots. So initially I really didn't envision this story in a very elaborate manner. I had no storyboard or anything like that. But with that being said, I knew that as this was a story of a person trapped inside his own mind, trying to connect the dots between the past, present and the future entities of himself at a both spiritual and philosophical level, I knew that an island will be an excellent choice for representing his mind. With that being said, after I made the final cut, the story came out very, really close to what I originally envisioned. In my humble opinion, the target audience for this film are those people who are normal, sensitive and intellectual. It is those people who loves to get out of their daily busy schedule and loves to think about things like, who am I? Is there a relationship between the ever-expanding universe since the Big Bang up till its annihilation at Big Crunch and our own life cycle? How our past, present and future is affected by the movement of the universe itself. I think the major USP of this film is storytelling. This being my first short film, I have absolutely no experience in this aspect of this industry. If any professional want to contact me and help me regarding these two aspects, please contact me. I'd be happy to take your help. So I believe that my film has a lot of experimental aspect to it, and there are a segment of people or a cluster of people in our society who loves to watch these experiments, and so that's why I believe the audience should watch my film. As for my suggestions to emerging filmmakers, I myself am one, but the one suggestion I would like to give is, if you believe that you have a story to tell, go ahead and tell it. I absolutely am in awe with Dadasaheb Phalke Film Festival for making this happen since the origin of COVID-19. Our physical presence has been bounded by four walls. Our emotional remembrance has fused itself to our old Facebook album, and our social anxiety has been transferred itself to Zoom calls. To my fellow filmmakers, I would like to say that you are not alone, and the night is the darkest before the day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll get through this together. Thank you.